Donruss Choice Basketball. Coming up for Steve. Good luck, man. Where's the LaMelo Ball? Let's find him. He's been hiding so far. All right, we will begin with balance. Stay. And we have Tyrell Terry, Dallas Mavericks. This guy's getting some run. Seen him, some of his highlights. Having a pretty solid rookie campaign. Peyton Pritchard, Boston Celtics. '76ers rookie, Tyrese Maxey. Second Dallas Maverick here is Josh Green. And Pelicans rookie. This one is Kira Lewis Jr. All right, autograph. First auto is Desmond Bane. That's Grizzlies, 48 of 49. Followed by another rookie auto. Oh, nice piece right there. 3 of 8. Goes along with the gold. Wow, you've got a pretty nice looking start to an Aaron Naismith PC here. 2 golds, 1 black gold autograph, 1 gold rookie. 3 of 8 on the black gold. All right, and then we got Dorian Finney-Smith. That is number 299 red. And then right behind that is a Tyler Herro, number 299. And we will finish with a blue parallel of CJ McCollum. And that one is number 249. All right, definitely getting some nice autos. Black gold, gold. We will take it. I appreciate it once again, bud. I'll get it out ASAP.